Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about REIT dividends explained, and how real estate investment trusts can help investors earn passive income from real estate without directly buying a property. First, let's understand what a REIT is. A REIT, or Real Estate Investment Trust, is a company that owns or finances income-producing real estate. These properties can include office buildings, apartments, shopping malls, warehouses, hospitals, and even data centers. So instead of buying a building by yourself, you can invest in a REIT and become connected to a large real estate portfolio. Next, REITs make money mainly by collecting rent from their properties, earning interest from real estate loans, and generating cash flow from property operations. For example, tenants pay rent to the property owner, and that income flows into the REIT. After covering expenses, the REIT may use the remaining cash flow to pay dividends to investors. After that, let's see how REIT dividends are paid. REITs usually distribute a large portion of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. The basic flow is simple. Properties generate income, the REIT receives that income, investors own shares of the REIT, and then regular dividend payments are distributed. Many REITs pay dividends quarterly, while some REITs may pay monthly. Because of this, many investors like REIT dividends for passive income potential. REITs also give access to real estate without the need to buy, manage, or maintain a property directly. In addition, they can help with diversification because investors can gain exposure to different types of real estate. Sometimes, REITs may also offer higher dividend yields than many common stocks, although higher yield does not always mean lower risk. Now, there are different types of REITs. Equity REITs mainly own and operate properties. Mortgage REITs invest in real estate debt and earn income from interest. Hybrid REITs combine both property ownership and real estate debt investment. So, before investing, it is important to understand what type of REIT you are choosing. Moreover, there are some key terms every beginner should know. Dividend yield shows the annual dividend compared to the share price. FFO, or funds from operations, is a common metric used to evaluate REIT performance. Occupancy rate shows how full the properties are, and payout ratio shows how much cash flow is being paid out as dividends. For example, if you invest $1,000 in a REIT with a 5% dividend yield, the estimated annual dividend would be $50. If that dividend is paid quarterly, you may receive around $12.50 every 3 months. This is a simple example, and actual income can change depending on the REIT's performance, share price, and dividend policy. However, REITs also come with risks. Property market downturns can reduce income and property values. Interest rate changes can affect borrowing costs and investor demand. Vacancy problems or lower rent income can reduce cash flow. Also, dividend cuts are possible if the REIT faces financial pressure. Therefore, before investing in a REIT, investors should evaluate the property type, check the dividend history, review FFO or AFFO, study debt levels, and assess occupancy and management quality. These steps can help you understand whether the REIT's dividend is supported by strong cash flow or not. Finally, REIT dividends can provide real estate-based passive income, but investors should not focus only on high yield. It is important to check the quality of the income, the stability of cash flow, and the risks before investing. Also remember, past performance is not a guarantee of future results, so always do your own research or consult a financial advisor. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.